Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felix and today I am reviewing something super interesting, an app called The Plug. Now, if you're a social media influencer or simply someone with a decent following, Plug might be the easiest way to start earning from your posts. But before we jump into the details, let me share something exciting with you. If you would like to learn how to earn an income 100% from home and using the power of internet, and see how I earn anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 per month working part-time, stick around till the end and I'll share exactly how you can too do that as well. Okay, let's dive into a plug and see if it's worth your time. So, what is Plug all about? Plug is an influencer marketing platform where you, as a creator or an influencer, can connect with brands and promote apps. It's incredibly user friendly. You don't need to be a marketing expert or have millions of followers. You just sign up, choose campaigns that fit your niche, promote apps on your social media, and get paid for it. Pretty simple, right? Now, is Plug legit? Based on my research, the app seems to be totally legit. Thousands of influencers from nano to macro are making real money with it. They offer easy to use tracking analytics, and you even get notified about your new campaigns to jump on. Okay? Once you're inside the app, you'll see a variety of campaigns listed, each with its pay per download rate. You select an app, plug into your social media, and earn every time someone downloads it through your unique link. It's straightforward as that. Now let's talk about the questions that is on everyone's mind. How much can you actually earn using Plug? Your earnings will depend on several factors such as your audience size, engagement rate, and of course how many people download the app you're promoting. Some campaigns pay 50 cents per download while others can pay up to $5 or more per download. The more engaged your audience, the higher your earnings potential. Now, for example, if you have a medium-sized following and you're promoting an app that pays you, let's say, $1 per download, and you manage to get 1,000 downloads, that's $1,000 in your pocket for a single campaign. Now imagine doing that across multiple campaigns. So how do you get paid? Plug offers payouts through PayPal so you can cash out your earnings quickly and easily. Once you accumulate a certain threshold, usually $20 or so, you can withdraw your money. It's really that simple. Some influencers cash out hundreds, if not thousands of dollars each month using the Plug. Now, let me share a few quick user reviews. Plug is so easy to use, and I was able to make over $500 in my first months just by sharing app promotions on my Instagram stories. User number 2, I love that I can track all my clicks and downloads in real time. It's super transparent and the earnings add up fast. So let's get into the pros and cons of Plug. Pros: easy to use. Even if you're not super tech savvy, the app is designed with a simple interface. No minimum followers requirements, unlike other platforms. You don't need a massive following to get started. Flexible campaigns. You can choose campaigns that align with your content and your audience. And finally, real-time tracking. You can monitor clicks, conversions, and your earnings all in one place. Now let's talk about cons. Unfortunately, no app out there is perfect. Okay, so every app out there is going to have some cons. And the plug has very minimal. Okay, earning can vary. If you don't have an engaged audience, your earning may not be as high as you'd like. And it will give you limited campaigns depending on your niche. The available campaigns may not always match your audience, meaning some influencers will have more opportunities than others. So, is plug worth your time? I'd say yes, especially if you already have an active social media presence. It's a great way to monetize your followers without needing to invest much time or energy. The fact that you can pick up a campaign that resonate with your audience means you can promote things that feel natural rather than forced. Plus, with quick payouts via PayPal, you're not waiting around for your money. But like any platform, your success really depends on the efforts you put in and how engaged your audience is with the content you share. If you're looking for a quick and easy side hustle, plug is definitely worth a shot. And there you have it, a full review of plug. If you've used plug or plan to try it out, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience. And like I mentioned earlier, if you're interested in learning how I personally earn using my favorite strategy, anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 a month, working part-time, don't forget to check the link in the description below to learn more. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to monetize their social media. Catch you next time. Bye.